Hey YouTube, we're not doing the simplex one today, we're only doing this remote strobe in the EMT. I'm not scared of the EMT, so I'm gonna do that now. Give me a minute to reset both. Okay, we are going to do the simplex form, and decided to. I gotta flip the switch one more time. Back to set me. I'm going to look at your YouTube and this is my power drain, which I love to do. Alright. Now, YouTube, we're only going to do a strobe, and with a remote strobe. So you hit the RSS strobe, so let me plug it back in. There you go. There we go. Now I'll just do a video of the EMT. love it in lunchtime. Now I have to I'm gonna do powdering. Okay. Thank you, that's it. There's my dog Sparky. You can actually wave hi now. Hi, you. Give a wave. Give him a kiss. Give him. Okay, Nifu. Give him a kiss. Give it a kiss. Aww. Right, cute. Alright, YouTube. I will show you my cat, actually. And then the video's over. So, yeah. That's that. That was very loud, by the way. Oh, wait, you get there. Hang on. Hang on, my dad has a thing. I can't see. She's trying. She loves the camera. Look at her. She swears she's hurt. Ouch. Yes, my animals have a identity crisis. There's Sparky. He's got a lot of food to eat. See? Alright, I'll show you her food, how much she has to eat. Ouch. Alright. Bye. And that's it.